Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very rough and savage day today, depending on perspective, I suppose. But I mean, to think that there's people that were buying there and there and there this morning, and then on the pullback right there, buying the dip right there. Thing just kept dipping and dipping and going down and down. So yeah, depending on your strategy, depending on where you bought, it could have been a very brutal day. However, from the big picture point of view, I'm not willing to say that the chart is completely, reversed around. And why is that? Well, it has everything to do with that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And that's one of those areas where even if you have a very basic, very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know that from the bullish side of things, as long as the price is above that area, then that does imply that the bulls are still in control. So yes, is the price pulling back? Absolutely. But in my opinion, to use the vocabulary of, a reversal, I'm not quite sure I would go along with that the price is totally reversed. However, that's where the pink line again comes into play, because if the price does come down to that area and breaks down through it, at that point, what would you have? Well, you would essentially have the price having gone right back to where it already was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that make a huge move up and then go right back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. And at that point, I would fully agree that that has been a reversal. So in my opinion, right now, the vocabulary to use is still just a pullback. But if the price breaks down below that 200 period moving average at that point, yeah, that's just a full-blown reversal. If the price does try to bounce back upwards, first key area of resistance to watch is going to be right there at 1550. And then after 1550, next key level up there right around $16.20. So yeah, the chart's definitely looking shaky right now, but we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.